Okay, let's do that again. Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Kat.
How do you spell that? C.
C-A-T.
And how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Good. What does your father do? Your dad? Is he a? Okay. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a
T. T.
t-shirt.
And? Sure.
Short.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Wow. So where is this? It's a
Bird.
it's a park, right? What do you see?
I see a swan.
Right. What do you see?
I see a beaver.
Okay. What do you see?
I see a bird.
Good. What do you like to play in the park?
I like to play on the seesaw.
Good. Do you like to play on the slide?
Yes, I do.
So what can you do?
I can run.
Good.
I can dance.
Good.
I can walk.
Yes?
I can jump.
Right. Very good. So can you dance? Can you? Yes? Can you run?
Yes,
Yes, I?
yes, I do.
Yes, I can. Okay, what letter is this?
Letter S.
Yes?
Letter T.
Yes?
Letter U.
Yes?
Letter V.
Yes?
Letter W.
Yes?
Letter E.
That's right. What is this?
It's a spider.
Right?
It's a waiter.
Right?
It's a uniform.
Right?
It's a telephone.
Right?
It's a bottle.
Right?
It's a box.
Good. Well, that was a very good job. Can I get another high five? See you next time. Goodbye.